Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys liked the last video I posted up on my channel. If you haven't done so, go ahead and check it out. I know I did a lot of rambling on that video, but it's okay. I'm getting comfortable with the camera. That's all it means, and that means I'm being able to have a longer conversation with you guys. So today we are going to be doing this look right here. And today's video is going to be a lot shorter than my previous video, I promise. But that's what I'm going to be doing with my channel. I will have short videos and I will have longer videos, because if I am speaking to you, I'm having my lovely conversation with you guys, then of course it's going to be longer. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so, because if you subscribe and click on that notification bell, you'll definitely get notifications every time I put a video up, which is very important, so that way you can get your hands on my videos as efficiently as possible. Go ahead and keep on watching, guys, and I hope you guys like today's video.